What was ALCTS, the backbone of library collections? Ever wonder who keeps libraries organized behind the scenes? Today, let's talk about ALCTS. ALCTS stood for the Association for Library Collections and Technical Services, a key division of the American Library Association, ALA. It focused on the essential technical services that make collections usable: acquiring and paying for books and e-resources, cataloging and describing materials with standards like RDA and MARC, managing collections, serials, and long-term preservation. ALCTS powered professional development, standards, and the journal LRTS for thousands of librarians worldwide. But in 2020, ALA restructured, merging ALCTS with LIDA and LAMA to create KOHA, Leadership, Infrastructure, Futures. KOHA now continues this vital work, helping libraries build better collections in our